Hello you guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make these mini cheesecake cups. These are so good, very easy to make, and the perfect summer dessert to indulge in. If you enjoyed this video, please share and give me a big like. Let's get started. Alright you guys, we're going to start by making the crust for the cheesecake. We're using 10 sheets of graham crackers. If you don't have graham crackers, you can use digestive biscuits or any type of sweetened crackers you can find. I'm placing my crackers into my food processor, then pulse the crackers until they are completely crushed. If you don't have a food processor, you can just place the crackers into a Ziploc bag, then use a rolling pin to crush them. Alright, once the crackers are completely crushed, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 5 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to place the lid on one more time, then pulse to mix everything in very well. And this is what you want the crumb mixture to look like. The texture should be somewhere between coarse and fine. Next, you're going to grab a 12-cup muffin pan and line them with muffin cups. In order to make sure that the cheesecake cups don't stick, I'm going to spray the cups with nonstick spray. Once that is done, you're going to place about a tablespoon of crumb mixture into each cup. Next, you're going to grab a small cup, then use the flat side to firmly press the crust down. Once you have everything pressed down, you're going to place this in the fridge for later. Next, we're going to make the cream cheese filling. I'm placing 16 ounces of cream cheese into my stand mixer. We're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then for bursting citrus flavor, we're going to add the zest and juice of a lemon. I'm only adding just a little bit of the lemon zest, about half a teaspoon, and I'm only squeezing in half the lemon juice. Next, I'm going to place the whisk attachment of my stand mixer on. And then we're going to whisk everything in for about 5 minutes on medium speed. The aroma from this mixture is seriously what heaven is made of. It smells so good. Alright, so you want the texture to be very stiff like this. It shouldn't fall or drip into your bowl when you hold it up. So I transferred my cream cheese filling into a piping bag to make it easier to fill the cups. I'm going to fill the cups almost all the way to the top with my cream cheese filling. I'm tapping the pan on my table to level out the tops. Next, I'm going to place these in the freezer to freeze for 8 hours. As soon as they're frozen, you can take them out and store them in the fridge for up to 1 week. I'm going to show you the best way to serve these cuties. Get a little bit of strawberry marmalade. Place a little bit onto each cup and top with a strawberry. These are just so cute and they're really good and very addictive. My kids really love these. Some days when they get home from school, I like to treat them to these yumminess. If you guys would like to make these, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!